If I just look at this graph here and we discuss the correlation we have on this graph, it's clearly positive correlation. The values are not in a dead straight line. So for the product moment correlation coefficient, the first method we looked at, the correlation would be a positive number, probably close-ish to 1, but it certainly wouldn't be 1 itself. For the second method we looked at, the product moment the Spearman rank correlation, actually if you look at this one here, the ranks along the x-axis would go from smallest to biggest, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the ranks up the y-axis here would also go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because to go from each point to the next, you are going in that direction. So actually you would have identical ranks for your x values as you would for your y values. And if that's the case, the Spearman rank correlation would actually give you a perfect 1 on that correlation. Because remember, the Spearman rank one doesn't look at the actual values, it just looks at their ranks or their relative position. And because to go from each cross here to the next one, you are getting bigger in the x direction and bigger in the y direction, this one will have a bigger x rank and a bigger y rank than this one, and the same over here. You've gone bigger in the x direction and bigger in the y direction. It will have a bigger rank of x and of y. So just something to remember. If you always go up in that direction, or alternatively, if you had one going down and it was like this, because it may not be on a straight line, but you're always going down and right, you're always going that direction to get from one point to the next. They, with Spearman rank correlation, would have perfect correlations. That would come out exactly +1, that would come out exactly -1. It only looks at the ranks. You would not get those +1s or -1s if you used the product moment correlation coefficient.